So I guess today I'm gonna try and get these broken ass exhaust manifold studs out of this freaking motor. Watch me suffer. So, get these freaking nuts on here. And we're gonna put the welder to them. And hope. That's the freaking best. Because I've been heating these things up. And vice grips to them. Throw a torch on them for 20 minutes. And put vice grips on them and they still won't come out. So it's the welder. If the welder doesn't work, then it's try and tap them. Drill and tap if this does not work. So it better freaking work. So that's set up. First time I tried to use this welder in probably 2 years. First time I've attempted to use this welding helmet in probably 10 because my good one's all screwed up. But let's turn this welder on and see what happens. Well, it's been a couple days, and I'm sick and tired of fighting with that welder. The wire will just not feed through the whip. So now we're going to try easy outs. When those don't work, because they never friggin' work, we're going to go back to tap and die. Awesome. Safety sunglasses. There's hardened steel stuck in there. That's great. Alright, so I stopped filming because I was getting mad after I broke the easy out off in there. But I got that drilled through, and then I proceeded to break a drill bit off in there. Got that out. Managed to drill through all of it. And you can see it ain't straight or even that good, but there's threads in there, so I can bolt them up on this thing. So that's the end of this.